that a good thing or a bad thing?
Both.
What's good about it?
Well, I guess what's good for you is I made you just like how Oprah made you. You were nothing before I came on this show.
Thank you for that.
No problem.
Are you going to pursue kind of a internet image?
Yeah, I guess so.
As long as it doesn't interfere with who you really are.
No, of course.
You spent all day yesterday doing a shoot with the Pizza Slime blog. Yeah. Is that fun for you?
Yeah.
See, I told your mom, I think it's fun. It's great to have fun. I don't think there's anything wrong with that, as long as you do the other things
Show
too.
the side of you have to admit, he helped you a lot. If it wasn't for if it wasn't
Okay, if it wasn't for his money, you can't say it wasn't for him.
Danielle,
No. If it wasn't for him and his people, I would not be the way I am.
How did you get there?